All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of a one-bedroom split, third floor. All right, so the present tenant is in the process of moving out, so please excuse all the boxes. We got a very friendly cat here, very vocal. So as soon as you walk in through the front door, okay, we have a kitchen right in front of us, decent sized kitchen. All right, gas stove. You have a fridge right there, cabinets up top. And we have this makeshift counter over here. It's a smart idea if you do a lot of work in the kitchen or cooking. Have a window right there. All right, so one more loop around the kitchen. There we go. Through the hallway into what they have set up as the living room. All right. So, good sized living room. And we have a nice window. All right, no closet here. So, living room, living room, no closet. There is a pantry right here. So they're using it for a mix, kitchen, linen. And then we have another closet right over here. Not very deep, but pretty wide. At least big enough for some luggage. Then we have the bathroom right over here. Okay. Toilet, sink, vanity. Your tub, shower combo. A window right there. And the bedroom. Decent sized bedroom. Looks like they have a single bed right there. And these windows are going to be facing the inside, the interior of the building structure. It's kind of like the courtyard. And we have a couple of closets, not just one. We have this one right here. And then we have this sliding door one right over here. All right. There is laundry on site. And the heat and hot water are included. The rest is on the tenant. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of this one-bedroom apartment here on the Austin-Brighton line. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask away. You can find me, email me, angel@lmcrealtyboston.com. Hope you enjoyed the video tour.